Good morning, everybody. Well, it's that day. It is Thursday, and it is time to head to Alabama. Well, not quite time. It is what time is it? 4:42. It's 4:42 a.m. I'm strapping my bag on the bike. Mama Badger's still in there getting ready. Our plan is to leave at 6. So we still have an hour and 20 minutes. I'm just ahead of the game, so I'm going to come out, clean all the love bugs off the windshield. Hopefully we don't hit a whole bunch more of those today, but it may be that season. So if so, we will be coated in bugs by the time we get to Alabama. We'll just have to see. Weather forecast for today, it's humid, but it doesn't look like there's any rain on the radar or anything, so we should be good all the way up there. Now, Friday and Saturday, those look pretty questionable. We'll just have to dodge the raindrops to get accomplished what we need done. And then Sunday looks beautiful again, so we'll be heading back that on Sunday. You know how it is when you're riding, right? You take the good with the bad and everything in between, but should be a great adventure. But it's awful freaking early in the morning. I've already had a cup of coffee. I'm gonna get another one before we leave, and then we're gonna hit the open road. So you can go with us. Here we go. All right, guys, look who's joined me. Mama in the house. She's all packed. I'm all packed. We've got to post our short videos that we did this morning before we leave, and then we're out of here. So we got probably 30 minutes before we're out of here. I'm gonna have another cup of coffee. Mama's gonna have something to drink, and then we're out. Whew, it is hot today. Hi guys, we're out of here. It is still dark outside, and the neighbors are about to love us as we crank up the bikes to head out of here. Away we go. Just dirt bags. So I can see on the navigation that we had red ahead of us, so I had started slowing down. And I had about a car length and a half in between me and the next car. This dickhead in a black Ford truck right on our ass. And of course I'm just cruising along at traffic pace. This dirt bag whips it into the other lane and back in front of us in that car length and a half distance. And then that's how fucking far he made it. He's the car a fucking ahead of us. Please tell me what was the point. He got no further. He just risked us by being a douchebag and cutting us off. Great job, guy. If any of you guys know this truck, tell him he's a douchebag. All right, gas stop number 1. We're about 135 miles in and filled up and ready to go. Only 2 people have tried to take me out so far today. We're on a roll. See if we can get somewhere without being caught in that mess. It's nice when people warn us of that stuff though. Here we go. Welcome to Georgia. Alright, we found this little diner here in Georgia to eat some lunch at. 3 Squares Diner. Got all filled up, so we're full of gas. We're gonna go eat and then hit the road again. All right, 3 squares is done. We had a couple burgers. How was your burger? It was okay. Wasn't horrible, she said. We're about halfway there, so let's get on the road and finish this off. Welcome to Alabama. We are 195 miles out. It has been a crazy day. We just watched the semi pass a pickup truck on a 2-lane highway on a double yellow line. Oh, with a car coming in fucking safe. There was a big long pipe that came rolling out from underneath the semi. Crazy day. I'll tell you all about it later. Final gas stop. We're 154 miles out. A couple hours away. Says we'll be there at 4:47. Away we go. Alright, we are like 8 miles out. We filled up the gas just so we would be completely full when we pulled in the garage tonight or at our house, so that we don't have to mess with it depending on what we do the next couple days. But we're here. It's been a long day, but 4:45 when we made it. Not too shabby for 650 miles. Alright, so we tried some Alabama Mexican food. We ate at Munoz. My burrito was pretty good. The chips and salsa were awesome. The funniest part is I rode over here in the back of an orange Mustang convertible, and yeah, you talk about sardine in a can. This, getting in one of these is the ultimate challenge. The back seat is not people friendly. Anyway, let's see if I can get back in that back seat and get back to the house, and then we'll probably tell you the story of the bumper flying down the highway at us, and then call it a night. So we'll tell you that story when we get back to the house. There's Mama. She is goofy.
Hi, Sonny.
Hey.
What you doing there?
I'm trying to. I always wondered what it was like for a sardine in a can. This is it.
Yeah?
Getting out is even worse. Okay, hang on. Let me get my feet turned just right. All right. Now crunch me with the seat.
All right.
There we go.
Now, how comfy is that?
Yeah, that's comfy.
I'm even like sitting up straight. Like,
I'll put the top down. You'll be better.
oh yeah, you put the top down.
Top down, wheel spinning. All right, that is a wrap. So remember me telling you earlier about something flying down the road from underneath a truck? That was a bumper.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And the bumper was the full width of the lane. So I look back and Mama Badger is on the shoulder.
Yep.
And
Over the rumble strips.
I'm on the left lane because it was a 2-lane highway. So, but this thing a truck hit it, so it's just kind of flailing. We have no idea
what
where it's
direction's
going.
it going, yeah.
So yeah, today was like I don't usually have a lot of stories from the road like that, like we may have been ran over or hit something. Today was that day. Pretty wild.
It was coming. I was like, all right, challenge accepted.
But anyway, that's it. We are here. We're done. I'm gonna do this. There's a lot of dogs in this neighborhood.
I have a question for you real quick.
Okay.
So, you lead us. You decide what direction we're going, when we're stopping, gas stations we're going to. How do you choose which gas stations we go to? He has no idea. I'm asking him this.
How do I choose? So I usually look for bigger gas stations because they usually have bigger bathrooms and they're cleaner.
For bathrooms.
Yeah, because I know you have to go. I can pee anywhere.
But you go to the bathroom more times than I do.
Right,
I've been gassing up a lot lately.
I
think he's doing it for him.
And I can pee anywhere. But anyway, yeah,
so
that's
you're saying it's for me.
And mileage. So whatever falls around the miles I want to be at.
I know certain mileage you start looking for gas stations, but I didn't know what makes you decide which gas station we stop at.
Well, the other one is what side of the road it's on. So if it's on the side of the road I'm on, I will park. I will stop at that one before I'll stop at the one across the street.
That ain't true, because this last gas stop, we went to the one on the left. There was one on the right side where we were headed.
Yep, but it was a nicer gas station. All right, guys, that's the end.
Oh, about that. That bathroom was horrible.
Anytime you want to lead, you let me know.
No, I just was curious.
Okay, curiosity.
Got my answer.
You're good. All right, guys, the end. We'll see y'all tomorrow for tomorrow's adventures.
Right.